Yes. Miracle, baby. Ochang, baby. Edo Silas. Oleku Amadachi. Happiness Friday. Sussex. Favor Edoga.
David Oche Joseph.
David Oche Joseph. Come here, come. Yeah? Okay. Look at these ones. We came earlier to this place to identify them because they have a terrible uniform that doesn't fit for pupils. But at this moment, we've been able to replace their uniforms to give them that confidence so that they will be able to compete with every other student. You know, when you have a very dirty uniform, a very tattered uniform, you won't have that confidence and you won't be able to compete with every other student who have a very nice uniform. But at this moment, we've replaced their uniform and we're also giving them the same level playing ground to be able to compete with all their mates in school. And that is the essence of what we are doing here. And we're also doing this to ensure you become a better person in the society in the nearest future. Thank you and God bless you.